Dad?
Yeah, my daughter.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, you are free.
Why are you not paying our school fees?
Blossom, what's the meaning of this question? Where is this question coming from?
It's always mommy that is paying our school fees.
Okay, I've heard you. You can go. I'll get back to you. The choice, yeah. All right. Thank you for the breakfast. Thank you for the breakfast.
Okay, you were supposed to transfer the money for the children's school fees to my account. Will you transfer the money to me so that I'll go, and make the payment for their school fees today?
Oh, I almost forgot. My love. You know what? I think since I will be going through that very ASICs,
okay,
I wouldn't want to stress you. Let me do the payment today myself,
Yourself?
Yeah, I don't want to stress you. Come on. I don't want to stress you. I mean, you have a lot to do. Just take care of yourself. Come on. I know you know that, of course, your husband loves you so much, right? I wouldn't want to stress you. Just take care of yourself. And take care of my baby. See you guys when I'm back. Please take care of Chincha because he's not feeling too well. Ensure he takes his drugs as prescribed by the doctor. Blossom!
Yes, Daddy.
Come here. Blossom, I'm taking you to school today to pay your school fees, okay? I want to do the payment myself today. I mean, you should be happy that Daddy is taking you to school, right? So, mommy, take care of the house. See you when I'm back. Okay?
What's with this your character?
Don't worry, don't stress yourself. I'll do the payment myself today.
What's wrong with these two? They're behaving like they planned something because normally my husband doesn't have time to always go to the children's school. I just hope they are not planning something that, scatter my plan. So I don't know. My daughter is even hugging him. Yeah, daddy. Which one is that?